In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Klarna setup. 5 minutes. Open your favorite web browser and head to Klarna.com. If you're prompted to choose your country or region, pick the one where you live so the currency, payment options, and terms match your location. On the homepage, look for the Login or Get Started button in the top right corner and click it to begin creating your account. You'll be asked for your basic details, an email address, a mobile number, your full legal name, date of birth, and your current address. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your bank or card statements. Using your legal name and matching billing address helps prevent verification hiccups later. Make sure the phone number can receive texts, since you'll use it for secure sign ins and important alerts. Klarna will then send a verification code via SMS to confirm it's really you. Grab that code, type it in promptly, and if it doesn't arrive within a minute or two, double check the number you entered, look for any signal or roaming issues, and use the resend option if available. Next, add a payment method. You can link a bank account, a credit card, or a debit card. This step is required to process your payments and installments. Ensure the name and billing address on the payment method match what you entered earlier, and confirm your card is enabled for online purchases. It's common to see a small temporary authorization hold when adding a card. This is normal and usually drops off quickly. If you can, add a backup payment method to avoid missed installment payments if one card fails. Create a strong, unique password for your account. Aim for at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using a reputable password manager and never reuse a password from another site. Before you finish, review Klarna's terms and conditions and the privacy policy. Pay attention to how installments work in your region, potential fees or late charges, due dates, and any soft credit checks used to determine your spending limit. When you're comfortable, accept the terms to finalize your setup. Once you're in, take a moment to enable notifications so you'll get reminders about upcoming payments and order updates. If available, keep two-step verification turned on for added security, and remember to sign out on shared devices. That's it, your Klarna account is ready. You can use it at checkout with participating stores or inside the Klarna app to manage purchases, track installments, and update your payment methods anytime.